Hey everyone, welcome back to Remember This Tech. Today's episode is really simple. It gets really hot in the summertime, obviously you know. So the chicken coop gets hot, so we need some ventilation. So I rigged this up with the old 3.5 watt panel.
There's chickens behind it. It's kind of cool.
See the chickens? They get really hot in the summertime. So we're gonna rig up some ventilation. This is a test fan right here. It's an old computer case fan. And well, we got a solar panel left over from a Ring camera, so we're going to stick this in the window and see if it works. This little panel powering a fan. I'm going to get a larger case fan. We're going to put it in there to exhaust the hot air in the chicken coop. So we'll mount this on the side of the panel, put this on the side, exhaust it out. Free power. It runs from sun up till sundown. Here's your spare parts. Don't throw away your spare solar. Don't throw away your spare gadgets. Everything's reusable, sustainable. So we've mounted this 3.5 watt solar panel. Used to be for a Ring camera onto the chicken coop. And over here I've mounted an exhaust fan, simple. Hopefully we can get some flow, but it's exhausting at a decent speed. We probably need more than one on a hot day. But the key thing with this is that, yes, I'm going to tie those up with electrical wire later, but as long as the sun's going from sun up till sundown, it keeps running. Hopefully we get a little bit of airflow out of here, and so the chickens can stay cool, because they're hot right now.